Hi, this is Lucy Piper. So if you have a leaky gut, you most likely have bad gut flora, or it's called microbiome. It's also called dysbiosis, means unbalanced good and bad bacteria in your digestive tract. And when your gut flora and gut lining are broken, okay, leaky gut, you will inflame. You will have your array symptoms, period. So your gut flora extremely important. So when we talk about gut flora or microbiome, that includes bacteria, fungus, viruses, and each of us have this microbiome. So we have like this on the skin, lung, eyes, every actually organ have this microbiome, but most located in your digestive system. The number of bacteria living in your digestive is huge. So if you can imagine, it's a 1 gram of stool, your poop, have more bacteria than all star in all universe. It should be good and also bad bacteria in our body. But what's important, it's a balance between two. And when it's a bad bacteria dominant, immune system struggle. Next important, diversity. What we want as more as possible species and variety of bacteria. And another one important also, location. So even a lot of good bacteria, but in the wrong place can cause a problem. When it's community of the bacteria gets out of the balance and go to wrong location, that's when we get sick. And when we talk about it's autoimmune, diabetes, obesity, mental health, cancer, heart disease. Why the gut flora is important? Because promote gastrointestinal functional, so it's help to digest, provide protection from infection, regulate metabolism, and comprise more than 75% our immune system. Many of us have damaged this flora. Think about this bacteria like a humans. So it's again environmental toxin or drugs abuse, gut infection, low stomach acid, chronic stress. Hand actually sanitizer. We became too clean now. Also, thanks to your mom, C-section birth. Bottle feeding, it's all can influence your gut population of your bacteria. And of course, food. It's a huge for gut flora. For example, take a sugar, can be significant impact your gut, creating dysbiosis and feeding bad bacteria. So, but how we can restore a good flora? We used food as a medicine. And number one, what food we want to eat to support the gut flora, it is a fermented food, like a kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. So that's what it's bring your good microbes to your body. Start small and build it up. So remember also diversity was important for bacteria. How we can achieve this one? We want to eat all kind of different fermented food. Another way to improve gut bacteria is to eat plenty of prebiotic food. If fermented food, probiotic food, the root vegetables like sweet potatoes, yam, garlic, onion, leek, this will be your feed good bacteria. So it's a prebiotic food. So what you need to do, maybe you just need to go to market and buy different variety of root vegetables and learn how to cook this. Cook this every day, different root vegetables. That's how you're going to feed your good bacteria in your gut. When we're looking for probiotic supplement, actually it's nothing coming close to food. What is the variety you can bring with the food? Another improved to gut flora, it's omega-3 rich food. Specifically wild-caught salmon, sardines, all this fatty fish. Fresh and or fermented actually, it's even better. So another one from free-range grass-finished cow. Also I saw studies that just taken fish oil supplement can completely actually restore a healthy gut microbiome in 14 days. Omega-3 supplement, of course, if your gut is not have much damage. And also restore a good flora. We need to treat any intestinal pathogen, and we will be talk about this later. So how we know if we improve our gut flora, if it became healthy? Pay attention to everyday things like your energy level, bowel movement, overall health and mood. So 3 things to take home: fermented food, fermented fiber, omega-3 rich food. And again, there is no quick fix, but consistency. Remember, baby steps is important. This is Lucy Piper, your RA coach. Download your free books below, and please scroll down, leave a comment, and let me know what you think.